English Listening Lab.
Hi, I'm Emma from the English Listening Lab. Today we're going to learn how to ask for help in English during emergencies.
Hi, I'm Daniel, and this sounds very important. Emergencies are scary, especially in another country.
You're right, Daniel, but today we'll learn simple English that can really help you stay safe.
I'm ready. Let's start.
Great. First, imagine something sudden happens. Maybe you feel unsafe or you need urgent help. The most important word you can say is help.
Just help?
Yes, say it clearly and loudly. Help.
Help.
Good. Your voice is important. Speak loud enough so people can hear you. Now, sometimes the situation is not very serious, but you still need help. What can you say?
Maybe, excuse me?
Perfect. Excuse me is a polite way to get attention.
So I can say, excuse me, can you help me?
Exactly. That's one of the best sentences.
Let me try. Excuse me, can you help me?
Excellent. That sounds very natural. Now, here's another useful phrase. Please help me.
That sounds more urgent.
Yes, it shows you really need help. Now, imagine you need to explain your problem. Keep it simple. For example, I am lost.
That means I don't know where I am.
Exactly. Another one, I am sick.
That means I feel unwell.
Yes, or I need help.
That's very clear.
Very clear and very useful. Now, let's combine sentences. For example, excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me?
That sounds like a real situation.
Yes, and it's easy to remember. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am lost.
I am lost.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Please help me.
Please help me.
Perfect. Now, here's something very important. Your body language.
Body language?
Yes, your face, your hands, your voice. If you look worried and use your hands, people understand faster.
Oh, like pointing or showing.
Exactly. For example, if you are lost, you can look around and say, I am lost.
That helps people understand quickly.
Yes, even if your English is simple, your body language helps a lot. Now let's talk about staying calm.
That's difficult in emergencies.
True, but very important. If you speak slowly, people understand you better.
So, don't speak fast?
Yes, slow and clear is best. Now imagine this situation. You are in a new city. You cannot find your hotel.
Okay.
You see a person. What do you say?
Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me?
Perfect. Now imagine a more urgent situation. You feel sick.
Oh,
What do you say?
please help me. I am sick.
Very good. Now let's do a small role play. I will be a stranger, and you ask for help.
Okay.
Hello?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What's wrong?
I am lost.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to my hotel.
Great. That was very natural.
That felt real.
Yes, and that's how you learn. Now, here's another useful phrase. I don't understand.
Oh, that's important.
Yes, if someone speaks fast or uses difficult words, say, sorry, I don't understand.
Let me try. Sorry, I don't understand.
Perfect. You can also say, please speak slowly.
That helps a lot.
Yes, now let's practice that. Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Excellent. Now imagine the person is helping you, but you still feel confused. What do you say?
Sorry, I don't understand. Please speak slowly.
Perfect combination. Now, here's a quick tip for everyone watching. Practice these sentences out loud. It builds confidence.
Yes, I can feel that already.
Good. Let's do one more short practice. I say the situation, you respond.
Okay.
You are lost.
Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me?
You feel sick.
Please help me. I am sick.
You don't understand someone.
Sorry, I don't understand. Please speak slowly.
Excellent, Daniel. You're doing really well.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
That's great to hear. These simple sentences can really help in real life. Now, imagine the person you asked for help is listening to you and asking questions. And now the person is listening to you and asking questions, trying to understand your problem. This is where you need to give a little more information.
Okay, so now I explain my situation more clearly.
Exactly. Let's start with a very common emergency, medical problems.
Yes, that's very important.
Imagine you feel very sick. You can say, I need a doctor.
That sounds serious.
Yes, or call an ambulance.
That means I need urgent medical help.
Exactly. Let's practice. I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
Call an ambulance.
Call an ambulance.
Perfect. Now imagine someone asks you, what's wrong?
What do I say?
Keep it simple. For example, I feel sick. My head hurts. I can't breathe.
Oh, that's useful.
Yes, short and clear. Now let's move to another situation. You are lost.
That happens a lot when traveling.
Yes, you can say, I am lost. Where am I?
Where am I is a good question.
Very useful. You can also say, how can I go to the hotel?
Let me try. How can I go to the hotel?
Perfect. Now imagine something more serious. Maybe your bag is stolen.
Oh no.
You can say, I lost my bag.
Even if it was stolen?
Yes, simple English works. Or you can say, someone took my bag.
That sounds clear.
And if you need police help, say, call the police.
Let me try. Call the police.
Good. Now let's talk about asking for safe places. For example, where is the hospital?
That's very important.
Or, where is the police station?
Yes.
Let's practice both. Where is the hospital?
Where is the hospital?
Where is the police station?
Where is the police station?
Excellent. Now here's something very helpful, giving simple details.
Like what?
Like your location or your problem. For example, I am at the bus station. I am near a big mall.
Oh, that helps people find me.
Exactly. Now imagine someone is helping you. They might ask, where are you?
Then I say, I'm at the train station.
Perfect. Now let's talk about who you ask for help. Sometimes it's a stranger, sometimes it's a police officer or staff.
Is there a difference?
Yes, but your sentences stay simple. With police, you can be direct. I need help.
Okay.
With strangers, you can be more polite. Excuse me, can you help me?
I see the difference.
Good. Now let's do a real-life role play. Ready?
Ready.
Excuse me, what's wrong?
I am lost. Can you help me?
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the hospital.
Okay, go straight and turn left.
Sorry, I don't understand. Please speak slowly.
Good. Then I say slowly, go straight, then left.
Thank you.
Excellent. That was perfect.
That felt like a real situation.
Exactly. Now let's try another one. Medical emergency. What's wrong?
I feel sick. I need a doctor.
Okay, I will call an ambulance.
Thank you.
Very good. Now one more. Lost bag. How can I help you?
I lost my bag
Where did you lose it?
at the train station.
Okay, we will help you.
Thank you.
Perfect, Daniel. You're improving fast.
I feel more confident now.
That's great. Now here's an important tip. Always use simple words. Don't try to make long sentences.
Yes, simple is easier.
Exactly. Now imagine you are in a real emergency. You speak clearly, use simple sentences, and give small details. People will understand you.
That makes me feel safe.
Good. That's the goal. Now imagine you have asked for help and someone tells you what to do next. And now someone is helping you. They understand your problem and they start giving you instructions. This is the final and very important step: listening, responding, and staying safe.
Okay, so now I need to understand what they say.
Exactly. And don't worry, their sentences are usually simple. For example, they might say, "Stay calm."
That means I should not panic.
Yes. Or they might say, "Help is coming."
That sounds comforting.
It is. You can respond with, "Okay, thank you."
Simple again.
Always simple. Now imagine you need to call emergency services yourself.
Oh, like calling an ambulance or police?
Yes, when you call, you should say your problem first. For example, "I need help."
Then what?
Then say what happened. "I am sick." "There is an accident." "I am lost."
Okay.
Then give your location. "I am at the bus station." "I am near a hotel."
So 3 things: problem, situation, location.
Perfect. That's exactly right. Now let's practice a simple emergency call. "Hello, what is your emergency?"
I need help. I am sick.
"Where are you?"
I am at the train station.
"Okay, help is coming. Stay calm."
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. That was clear and effective.
That felt very real.
Yes, and this can really help in real life. Now, sometimes you may not understand the instructions.
That can happen.
Then say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
Or, please speak slowly.
Exactly. Let's practice. "Can you repeat that?"
Can you repeat that?
"Please speak slowly."
Please speak slowly.
Excellent. Now imagine the person tells you, "Sit down and wait."
That means I should stay in one place.
Yes, or "Go outside."
That means leave the building.
Correct. Now let's talk about asking follow-up questions.
What are those?
Questions after the first help. For example, "What should I do?"
Oh, that's very useful.
Yes, or "Where should I go?"
Let me try. What should I do?
Perfect. Now imagine you are waiting for help. What should you do?
Stay calm and safe?
Exactly. Stay in a safe place, follow instructions, and keep your phone with you if possible.
That's good advice.
Now let's do a full, real-life emergency situation from start to finish.
Okay, I'm ready.
You are walking in a new city. You feel dizzy and weak. You see a person. What do you say?
Excuse me, please help me. I feel sick.
Good. The person says, "What's wrong?"
I feel very sick. I need a doctor.
They say, "Okay, I will call an ambulance. Where are you staying?"
I am at a hotel near the mall.
They say, "Sit down, stay calm, help is coming."
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. That's a complete emergency conversation.
That really helps me understand what to say.
That's great. Now let's try another situation. You lost your bag.
Okay.
You see a police officer.
I say, I need help. I lost my bag.
The officer says, "Where did you lose it?"
At the train station.
The officer says, "Okay, come with me."
Okay.
Very good.
These situations feel real now.
That's the goal, real English for real life. Now here's a final tip. In emergencies, don't try to speak perfect English. Speak simple English.
Yes, simple is better.
Always. Clear and simple saves time.
I feel much more confident now.
That's great to hear. And if you're watching this, practice these sentences. Say them out loud. Imagine real situations. That's how you build confidence.
I will definitely practice.
Wonderful. Thanks for learning with us today at English Listening Lab. Stay safe, stay calm, and keep improving your English step by step.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.